Hi, my name's Jonathan Magana. I graduated from the welding and fabrication program in 2020. What brought me to Great Falls originally was the four-year college, the University of Providence. So I came to do the traditional college path, and then after finishing that, I was kind of lost. So that's when I found out about the welding program, and that's kind of when I wanted to head toward a vocation. What attracted me was playing with fire at first and molten metal, but then I decided to give the program a shot, and I ended up enjoying it, and it's what I want to do now as a career. Thing to learn, I think, because you not only learn to build with your hands, but you learn to melt metal, and then you also get paid really well at some point. Once you learn, the instructors are always willing to help you. You know, they're never like, they obviously the guys here, the instructors have a ton of experience, and that's something to draw from, and they're always willing to help, or they always suggest a different way, not just they're not just gonna tell you, oh, you have to do it this way, they kind of guide you toward like what's comfortable for you. I'm glad that they started with like the basics, so you come in and you learn like weld symbols, and then the basic math needed in welding, and then you start by learning to run a straight line, and that's like the basic, and then you build and build from there, and that's what I liked about it. So you start with the basics, and then by the end you're at a level where you feel comfortable and what what you're doing. Oh yeah, first you don't know anybody. Well, at least I didn't know anybody. Not being from Great Falls, so and then you quickly learn. You see someone's weld and you ask them, hey, how'd you do that? And they kind of tell you, oh, use these settings, or try it like this. So you guys kind of help each other learn as you go along. We have a lot available to us that'll help us learn, as, not only on the welding side, but also on the fabrication side of things. The CAD drawing class, which is the computer drawings, which was a cool thing to learn, because that's how we designed our final projects in the computer, and then from there you can use like the CNC plasma table, and then get a cool design on your I built a fire pit, and I got like a deer on there on the side of it. I'm confident. The education here has prepared me. I feel pretty confident when I get out there. I'll be able to at least pass a weld test to get a job. The job prospects are pretty good. I feel like there's always, people are always constructing, so you always find somewhere that needs welding, or in pipeline, there's a need for that. There's always pipeline construction. So I feel like there's a lot of jobs out there for welding.